Hey, good morning. This looks pretty good. It's not exactly what I was thinking, but it's good enough. I'll take it. The only thing is let's shorten up this space right here, and then you can leave this chip the way that it is. Just want to make sure there's enough room here for the ribbon cable to bend around to over here, right? And so that's a good thing. Then also think about how the ribbon cable interacts with this right here. If it comes up from the bottom, it's going to be very hard to attach. So you maybe want to flip these around. So flip this around so that the ribbon cable comes out here, and make sure that this one, the ribbon cable attaches to right there so that people can pretty easily do it. But also make sure that you have enough space for the ribbon cables to gracefully bend around, right? So it'll make like an S. It'll come up, fold, and then go in. So you want to spin this whole thing around, which is fine. And then you can make this space inside here a lot less, so that you really only need about 3 centimeters of space from right here to right there. I've built these a couple of times, so 3 centimeters is plenty enough space if you have the cable on this side and you have the cable coming out the top over here. Thank you so much. And then also make sure that you have a list of all the parts, like the screws and nuts and offsets, things that you're using. Thank you so much. I'm really happy with how things are looking. You know, I almost forgot. So when you flip this around, that'll put this, that right there, so which is really good. So go ahead and take and move this board closer to here. We use a right angle micro USB cable, and then so as it flips around, right, it's going to need a place for the cable to come out. So this will flip around. It's going to bend back along here, which you back along here. So make a notch right here all the way down, and a notch right there all the way down, so that a cable that is 7 millimeters in diameter will have a space to be pinched by the case as it comes down. Thank you.